Imagine this. You finally retire after decades of hard work. You own a big, beautiful house, the dream home you always wanted. But here's the shocking truth. That big house might be the very thing that ruins your retirement. Sounds crazy? Stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why buying a big house can be the biggest financial mistake you make before retirement. Let's dive in. When you think about buying a big house, most people only focus on the mortgage payment. But the mortgage is just the beginning. Owning a large home comes with a mountain of hidden costs that can quietly drain your retirement savings. First, property taxes. In many parts of the U.S., property taxes on a big house can be thousands of dollars every year, sometimes even tens of thousands. And unlike your mortgage, property taxes can increase over time, especially as your home's value rises. Next, maintenance. Bigger houses mean bigger roofs to fix, more plumbing to repair, and more rooms to paint. These repairs don't come cheap. A leaking roof or a broken furnace can cost thousands of dollars, and these expenses often come when you least expect them. Then, utilities. Heating, cooling, electricity. All of these bills skyrocket with a bigger space. Imagine paying double or triple the electricity bill just to keep your home comfortable. And don't forget insurance. Larger homes cost more to insure, especially if they have expensive features like pools or custom finishes. Now, here's something most people don't think about: opportunity cost. What if I told you that every dollar you spend on a big house is a dollar you can't invest elsewhere? Let's say you spend an extra $200,000 on a bigger home. That's $200,000 that could have been invested in the stock market, bonds, or rental properties, assets that can grow your wealth over time. Historically, the stock market has returned about 7% per year after inflation. So that $200,000 could grow to over $380,000 in 10 years, just by investing instead of spending on a bigger house. Plus, rental properties can generate monthly income, helping you cover living expenses in retirement. But a big house? It just costs you money every month. So the question is, do you want your money locked up in a house that only costs you pause ones, or do you want it working hard for you, growing your retirement fund? Owning a big house isn't just a financial burden, it's an emotional and physical one too. Imagine being 65 or 70 years old, and suddenly you have to climb ladders to fix the roof, mow a huge lawn, shovel snow, or deal with constant repairs. It's exhausting. Many retirees find themselves trapped in their big homes, unable to downsize. Because of emotional attachment or market conditions, they feel stuck, stressed, and overwhelmed. And here's the harsh truth: many end up selling their dream home at a loss or downsizing anyway, but by then, they've lost years of potential investment growth and peace of mind. So, what's the smarter way to approach housing in retirement? First, consider buying a smaller, manageable home that fits your retirement budget. A home that's easy to maintain, with lower taxes and utility bills. Second, take the money you save from not buying a big house and invest it wisely. Build a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and maybe some rental properties that generate passive income. This way, your money works for you, growing steadily and providing income during retirement. And finally, think about flexibility. A smaller home gives you the freedom to move if your needs change, or to travel without worrying about maintaining a large property. Let me share a quick story. A couple I know bought a huge house just before retirement. At first, they loved it. But soon the property taxes doubled, the heating bill skyrocketed, and the roof needed expensive repairs. They had to dip into their retirement savings just to keep up. Eventually, They sold the house at a loss and moved into a smaller place. But by then, their savings were much smaller than they expected. Don't let this be you. Buying a big house might feel like a dream, but it can quickly turn into a nightmare. Retirement is about freedom, peace of mind, and financial security. Don't let a big house trap you in stress and money problems. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning for retirement. Your future self will thank you.